Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the TIAA website, specifically its brokerage account section. If you're interested in investing or exploring financial products, this review is for you. Let's get started. Main part. TIAA is a trusted platform offering a wide range of financial services, and their brokerage accounts are a standout feature. These accounts allow you to trade stocks, ETFs, options, and other securities, making them a great option for both beginners and experienced investors. One of the highlights of TIAA's brokerage accounts is their competitive pricing. For active traders who execute more than 120 trades per quarter, the commission for online stock and ETF trades is $0. For those who trade less frequently, the fee is $6.95 per trade. This is a great deal, especially for frequent traders looking to save on costs. Additionally, TIAA provides access to powerful tools for portfolio management and market analysis. They also offer educational resources to help you make informed investment decisions. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your strategy, TIAA has something to offer. Closing. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to check out TIAA's website if you're interested in their brokerage accounts. See you in the next video.